Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Kuromi from Sanrio as a Labubu doll. So first we're going to get started with the eyes, and we're going to start by drawing in a curved line on the left and right hand side, leaving a gap in the center. Underneath both of those now, we're going to draw in a nice big oval, connecting that from left to right. Now moving over on the side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then on the top, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle. In the corner for the eyelash, we're just going to draw in a triangle. And then we're just going to color that in black. Now in the center for the nose, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And then we're going to connect that by drawing in a letter V, just curving that in the center. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. And now for the teeth, we're just going to draw in some triangles, just curving the point at the bottom. And we're just going to draw these as we come all the way across and over on the right. Now let's draw in the head. So on both sides, on the top, we're going to draw in a diagonal line joining together at a point. Now from here on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. Moving up, let's draw in a skull. So we're going to draw in a straight line across on the bottom. On both sides, we're going to draw in a small straight line coming up. And then in the middle, we're just going to do that 2 more times. Now closing this off, we're going to arch this line around and then in on the right. On the left and right hand side now, we're going to draw in an oval. Let's close off the rest of our head. So on the top, moving up, we're going to draw in a small curved line. On the inside, let's arch this line out, ending that so it's at roughly the same height. We're going to draw in a circle on the top. And then from that corner, we're going to curve this line back around and then down. Now as we come down underneath our head on a diagonal, we're going to draw in a circle on the right. And then we're going to do the same on the left. We're going to move up on a diagonal again, replicating that. Now from here in the center, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines joining at a point. We'll do the same on the right as well as on the left. Now from both sides, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming in. And then again, we're just going to curve all the way around and then in on the top corner, closing off the head. Now let's move down and draw in the body. So on both sides for the arm, we're going to curve this line down. And then we're just going to draw in a diagonal line in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over on both sides. Closing off the side of the body, we're going to curve this line in, ending that at roughly the same height. For the hands, for the thumb, we're going to bring this line out and then in. And then again, we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern, drawing 3 triangles in total for the fingers, closing that off on the side. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right and drawing a diagonal line that comes out both sides. On the inside, we're going to curve this line across on the right hand side, bringing this line around and then in. Do the same on the left. And then we're just going to again draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over on the side. For the feet now, we're going to curve 2 lines that come in, ending those at the same height. And then just a zigzag pattern across again, creating 3 triangles. Now on the inside, we're going to draw in another zigzag pattern. We'll do the same as we come across on the right. And then now from here for the tail, we're just going to curve this line across, doing that 2 times. And then now from each corner, just drawing a diagonal line coming out. And then again, closing that off on the top, joining that in the center. And that is it. That's how you draw Kuromi as a Labubu doll. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.